Have you been struggling with weight loss and feeling like nothing's working? What if I told you that the reason you're not seeing results could be because of some common mistakes that many of us make without even realizing it? In today's video, I'm going to reveal the top 5 mistakes that could be slowing down your weight loss progress. Stick around, because fixing these simple errors could help you get back on track faster than you think. Whether you're new to this journey or you've been at it for a while, these mistakes might be the hidden roadblocks preventing you from reaching your goals. 1. Skipping meals, the biggest myth. Let's start with one of the biggest myths out there: skipping meals to lose weight faster. You've probably heard that if you skip a meal, you'll burn more fat, right? Well, here's the truth: skipping meals can actually backfire. When you skip a meal, your body enters survival mode and starts slowing down your metabolism to conserve energy. The result? You may end up feeling hungrier later, leading to overeating or making poor food choices. Plus, missing meals can leave you lacking essential nutrients, which can affect your overall health and well-being in the long run. Skipping meals doesn't just slow down your metabolism, it also affects your hormones, leading to an increase in hunger and cravings, which can make it harder to stick to your diet plan. After skipping a meal, your body craves high-calorie, sugary foods, as it's looking for quick energy to make up for the lost calories. By the time you eat again, you might overeat or make unhealthy choices, sabotaging all the progress you've made. Your body's natural response to hunger is to increase ghrelin levels, the hormone that tells you when to eat. So, instead of skipping meals, focus on eating smaller, more frequent meals that are nutrient-dense and balanced. Aim for meals that include healthy fats, lean protein, and fiber-rich vegetables and fruits. This way, your body stays fueled and your metabolism stays active throughout the day. In the end, it's not about reducing calories drastically, but about feeding your body the right nutrients and the right amounts to keep your energy up and your metabolism functioning at its best. 2. Ignoring portion control. Next up, portion control. Do you really know how much you're eating? A lot of people don't realize that even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if you're eating too much of them. The problem isn't always about the food choices, it's about how much you're consuming. You might think you're eating healthy, but if you're not controlling your portions, those healthy meals can quickly add up to more calories than your body needs. Even when eating nutritious foods, excessive portion sizes can contribute to consuming more calories than you burn, leading to weight gain instead of fat loss. One of the reasons portion control is so challenging is that we often eat based on habit, not hunger. We tend to eat more than we need, especially when we're distracted by the TV, our phones, or social media, making it harder to listen to our body's natural hunger signals. Overeating healthy foods, like nuts, seeds, and avocados, can still add up calorie-wise, even though they are packed with nutrients. One easy way to start managing portions is to use smaller plates, as studies show that the size of your plate can influence how much you eat. It tricks your brain into thinking you're eating more than you actually are, helping to satisfy your hunger with smaller amounts of food. Additionally, paying attention to your body's signals, like eating until you're satisfied, not stuffed, can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. Start measuring your food portions and avoid eating straight from the package. This way, you can enjoy your meals without overeating, making it easier to stay on track with your goals. 3. Relying on processed foods. How often do you grab processed foods for a quick meal? We've all been there. Processed foods are easy, fast, and convenient, but they come with hidden costs. While they may be tempting due to their quick preparation, processed foods are often packed with unhealthy fats, sugars, and empty calories that offer little to no nutritional value. These foods can sabotage your weight loss efforts by spiking your blood sugar, which leads to energy crashes and cravings for more unhealthy snacks. This cycle not only disrupts your metabolism but also makes it harder for you to stick to your weight loss goals. So, what's the solution? It's simple: focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods that provide your body with the fuel it needs to thrive. Processed foods may seem like the easy option, but they often contain hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial preservatives. Over time, these unhealthy ingredients can lead to weight gain, slow your metabolism, and wreak havoc on your digestive system, making it increasingly difficult for your body to burn fat efficiently. Instead, prioritize whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, that support overall health and weight loss. By making meals from scratch, you gain control over what goes into your food, ensuring you're not consuming hidden sugars or unhealthy fats. When you fuel your body with high-quality, whole foods, you'll not only feel better, but you'll also experience increased energy, improved mood, and greater satisfaction throughout the day. Try swapping out processed snacks, frozen meals, and sugary drinks for wholesome alternatives. Your body will thank you. 4. Neglecting exercise. Here's another mistake a lot of people make, thinking weight loss is all about diet and ignoring exercise. While nutrition is key, exercise plays a huge role in your fat-burning journey. Exercise helps increase your metabolism, builds lean muscle, and even boosts your mood by releasing those feel-good endorphins. Many people make the mistake of focusing only on food and not incorporating physical activity into their daily routine. But here's the truth: you can't out-diet a sedentary lifestyle. Exercise, especially strength training, helps build muscle mass, which naturally increases your metabolism. More muscle means more calories burned, even when you're not working out. Cardio exercises, like running, swimming, or cycling, also play a vital role in burning fat and improving cardiovascular health. But it's not just about burning calories. Exercise also helps improve your overall health by increasing energy, reducing stress, and enhancing your mood. To make exercise a regular part of your routine, aim for at least 30 minutes of activity each day. This doesn't have to mean spending hours in the gym. Even a brisk walk, taking the stairs, or doing a short home workout can make a significant difference. Over time, these small changes add up, making it easier to lose weight and feel your best. 5. Not getting enough sleep. Did you know that lack of sleep can sabotage your weight loss efforts? When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more ghrelin, the hormone that makes you feel hungry, and less leptin, the hormone that tells you you're full. This hormonal imbalance can lead to increased cravings, especially for high-calorie foods. On top of that, sleep deprivation can make it harder to stay motivated to exercise, leading to a vicious cycle of poor eating habits and lack of physical activity. In addition to the hormonal imbalance, not getting enough sleep also affects your energy levels, making you more likely to skip workouts or reach for unhealthy snacks to keep you going. Your body's natural appetite regulating system relies on quality sleep, and when you deprive yourself of that, it's harder to make healthy decisions. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night to help your body function properly and keep your metabolism running smoothly. To improve your sleep, try to establish a bedtime routine that helps you wind down, such as reading, meditation, or light stretching. Avoid screen time for at least an hour before bed, as the blue light from devices can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Creating a peaceful and relaxing sleep environment, with a cool, dark room, can also make it easier to get the rest you need. There you have it, the top 5 mistakes that could be slowing down your weight loss efforts. By understanding these common mistakes and making small changes in your routine, you can start seeing real progress on your weight loss journey. Remember, it's not about drastic changes, but about making sustainable choices that work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. And let me know in the comments, which of these mistakes have you been making, and how are you going to fix them? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. I shall see you in the next video.